भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि।
जय भीम। हमें ये बताते हुए बेहद खुशी हो रही है कि द न्यूज़वीक के काम को देश भर में सराहा जा रहा है। सोमवार को दक्षिण भारत के राज्य कर्नाटक की राजधानी बेंगलुरु में द न्यूज़वीक के संपादक सुमित चौहान को आम्बेडकरवादी पत्रकारिता के क्षेत्र में शानदार काम करने के लिए सम्मानित किया गया। बेंगलुरु में केनरा बैंक और भारत हेवी इलेक्ट्रिकल्स लिमिटेड के SC/ST कर्मचारी संगठनों ने साझा तौर पर द न्यूज़वीक के संपादक सुमित चौहान को सम्मानित किया। इस दौरान कैनरा बैंक, SC/ST एम्प्लॉइज वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन के पुरुषोत्तम दास, बेंगलुरु दलित फोरम के गजेंद्र और भेल की ओर से सोलंकी SM समेत प्रबुद्ध जगत की सम्मानित हस्तियों समेत कर्मचारी भी मौजूद रहे।
That shows the humility and humbleness of a people like Sumit who want to get connected, who want to do networking with our youngsters in particular. That is one thing I noticed, and in the era of this uncertainty, difficult politics, hatred and what not, I think Sumit is trying to find a main space for our community and our voice.
I am really blessed with having the company of so many SC/ST employees working in the Canara Bank. They have blessed me to accomplish this task to construct this building. So my only ambition is that this building, I had a plan to have one conference hall like this to develop the personality development and to motivate our people to do something for their community, not to improve themselves. Apart from improving their own self personality and all this, so what we expect, community which is suffering for thousands of years, we could not empower them economically because of our unconcerned attitude. This is what I feel. Even today I have not lost my hope. My educated employed class, if they come together, we can bring a change in the living condition of our community people.
सुमित चौहान ने इस दौरान आम्बेडकरवादी पत्रकारिता की विरासत और अहमियत पर अपनी बात रखी।
So many people comes to me and they ask, say, what is this Ambedkarite media? What is this Bahujan media, Dalit media? What is this all about? And I always say that it is not a new phenomena about Ambedkarite media. We have a legacy of Ambedkarite media outlets outlet in this country. Because when I was reading journalism in my institute school, Indian Institute of Mass Communication, that's in JNU campus in Delhi, they were teaching us so many definitions about journalism. That what is journalism? So they were, training us that what are the fundamentals of journalism, how you define journalism. Numbers of definitions were there, like journalism, media is the fourth pillar of democracy. You have to protect the democracy. You have to safeguard the people's rights. Lot of definitions were there. But one of the definition which I really like, which was taught to us in our classroom, was that media is nothing, journalism is nothing but to raise a question mark. You just have to raise a question mark that what is happening around, why it is happening around, what are the reason behind it. So you just raise a question mark. And under this definition, when I look at my legacy, I found that I have a long legacy of raising question mark. My people were raising question mark against injustice, against inequality, against exploitation, against casteism. So they were doing it. So all of my people were journalists, excellent journalists of their time. Look at the Tathagat Buddha. what he was doing. He was raising a question mark against the status quo of the society. What is happening around? Why people are more privileged and why other people are underprivileged? So he was raising a question mark. Atta Deepo Bhava, be your own light. You don't need to find light outside. So he was raising a question mark on the every stereotype of society. So Gautam Buddha for me was a journalist also. So I follow his legacy that in journalism I'm raising a question mark. Come to Sant Ravidas. ऐसा चाहूँ राज में जहाँ मिले सबन को अन छोट बड़ो सब सम बसे रह दास रह प्रसन्न. So that's a wonderful quote by Sant Ravidas, that I need a state, I need a society of Begumpura, which is the there is no pain, there is no exploitation, there is no discrimination. So I need that kind of Begumpura. So Sant Ravidas was raising a question mark. पूजिए चरण चंडाल के जो होवे गुण प्रवीण और गुणहीन ब्राह्मण ना पूजे. So he was saying that if a Chandal person from the lower community, the marginalized sections community is coming up and he's a virtuous, he's a guy who has the quality, you need to worship him rather than a quality-less Brahmin. You should not worship him. So he was challenging a very status quo of the society. So Sant Ravidas for me is a journalist. Look at the Kabir. Kabir was also saying the same. जो तू बामन बामनी जाया आन बाट का है ना आया. If you are Brahmin and you are saying that you are superior than me, how come you born from the same thing? How come you are born from the same area that I came from? So he was raising a question mark on the very stereotype of society. So for me, Sant Ravidas, Sant Kabir is a journalist. They are raising a question mark at their time and they are trying to make a society better where there is no injustice, there is no inequality. So I believe in that legacy.
हमें खुशी है कि दक्षिण भारत में भी द न्यूज़वीक के काम को सराहा जा रहा है. सुमित ने इस दौरान कहा कि समाज की ओर से मिल रहा ये प्यार उन्हें और ज्यादा काम करने के लिए प्रेरित करेगा.
So I'm so grateful to the elder generation, although you are very young at heart. I don't see you as a older generation. I see that you are a young at heart and you are very young. Yes. So the contribution which you have done for me, the contribution, the sacrifices which you guys have done for me, that is why I'm enjoying. That is why I'm having a great time. I'm staying in 5-star hotels. I'm driving a car. I'm going to a flight. I'm having a good food. I'm having a good job. I'm having everything. Whatever I'm having or you are having is not just because of my contribution or my sacrifice. It is because of the sacrifice and contribution of my elder generation, my forefathers, my foremothers, because they were the really hard workers of the nation. They were making this nation beautiful and they have sacrificed everything, and that's why I'm enjoying this part. So I'm really great thankful to you, and you don't need to worry about that anti-caste movement is going nowhere. Yes, people are there. We should be hopeful. We'll be keep fighting. We'll be keep doing our bit, and we need to contribute everything from our side because this is a long journey.
आप सब भी अपना प्यार यूं ही बनाए रखें. इस सम्मान पर अपनी राय कमेंट में लिखें, वीडियो को शेयर करें और द न्यूज़वीक को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. वीडियो के अंत में आपसे एक छोटी सी अपील.
साथियों, अगर आपको द न्यूज़वीक का काम पसंद है और आप चाहते हैं कि हम यूं ही अम्बेडकरवादी पत्रकारिता करते रहें, तो हमारी आर्थिक मदद जरूर करें. आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर दिखाई दे रहे इस QR कोड को स्कैन करें और न्यूज़वीक फाउंडेशन के खाते में अपनी दान की राशि भेजें. QR कोड के अलावा आप UPI के जरिए भी मदद कर सकते हैं. आप हमारी UPI ID newsweek@YesBank पर भी मदद भेज सकते हैं. इसके अलावा आप हमारे अकाउंट में भी मदद भेज सकते हैं. खाते का नाम है न्यूज़वीक फाउंडेशन. अकाउंट नंबर है 02358870000640. IFSC कोड है YesB000235. बैंक का नाम यस बैंक है और ब्रांच है नेहरू पैलेस, दिल्ली. आप डोनेशन के एवज में इनकम टैक्स में भी छूट पा सकते हैं. डोनेशन की रसीद पाने के लिए ट्रांजैक्शन का स्क्रीनशॉट हमें भेजें. टाइप करें डोनेशन स्पेस आपका नाम और हमें 8595794224 पर व्हाट्सएप करें.